I started off the painting in the usual manner by placing a book underneath it, painting the background once, painting the foreground, and then painting all the background once more. This process took a couple of years. Under the painting I have placed one of my favorite books. It's High Resolution NMR Techniques in Organic Chemistry by Timothy Claridge. You don't have to use that book, but it's quite the perfect size. The first time I painted the background, I had traced a photograph. It didn't turn out quite as Monet as I had hoped for, and painting the cast from Billy Elliot above it did not help. I had all but scrapped the idea a couple of years ago until I now revisited the idea of painting the photograph. I watched a Mark Carter video where he did a landscape from imagination while I imitated his work. As is evidently clear, some proportions were not quite right and the life buoy had to be redone. I traced out the parts I wasn't satisfied with and painted them in. The following day, I revisited the painting and touched up the parts I was not happy with.